Welcome to this edition of Burn Tech University presented by United States Stove Company. In today's video, we'll show you how to properly replace the igniter in your 5500 model pellet stove. For today's project, you'll need a 3/8 inch wrench or socket, two 6-inch socket extensions, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, and a 1/8 inch Allen wrench. To start our project, first make sure your stove is completely cooled and then remove the power cord from the back of the stove. Then, using your number 2 screwdriver, remove the 7 screws securing the rear panel of the stove. Once the screws are removed, the panel can easily be removed and set aside away from your work area. Now, going back to your stove, locate the 2 wires leading from the igniter to the wiring harness. They may be white with red stripes. Disconnect these 2 wires. To be able to better show you how to remove the igniter, we have removed the auger motor in this stove. If you'd like, you can remove it to access the igniter easier. Please reference our auger motor removal video for that instruction. Now, using your wrench, your 3/8 socket, and both socket extensions, locate and remove both bolts holding the igniter in place. Once the bolts have been removed, the igniter and igniter housing can easily be removed from the stove. Now, using your Allen wrench, loosen the set screw holding the igniter in place in the igniter housing. The igniter should now freely slide from the housing. Now insert your new igniter into the igniter housing, leaving approximately 1/4 inch of space between the end of the igniter and the igniter housing. Then, using your Allen wrench again, tighten the set screw securely. Next, place the igniter housing back into the stove. Replace the 2 bolts and tighten securely with your wrench. Once your igniter is properly secured, you can now connect the 2 wire leads back to the wiring harness. You can now replace the back panel, securely tighten all 7 screws, and then return power to your stove to test for operation. Thank you for watching this edition of Burn Tech University. Should you have any further questions regarding this repair or any other repairs on your stove, please visit our website at www.usstove.com or call our customer care center at 1-800-750-2723.